right, we're back with our slab that we just threw in the previous video. And what am I gonna do with a slab? Well, there's a lot you can do with a slab. First of all, you're gonna use your pin tool and you would be able to cut the base of any sort of pottery that you wanna make. So this base down here, that was a slab that I built onto. This base, slab. So whatever size base you want, it's a slab. This bowl that I made over a form started with a slab. Imagine that. So, bases, you want to find yourself a circle. I just use masking tape. And here we are. Keep that pin tool straight up. And I just cut out of that, and look at that perfect base right there. It's lovely. It's nice thickness, same thickness all the way around. That's a good slab I threw there. All right, so I'll put that aside. Another thing you can do with a slab, let's say you want to make a little, oh, I don't know, one of these little dishes. I'm going to put this up here so I can use this for another slab demonstration. Again, keep your pin tool straight up. If you start putting it sideways, you'll see that all you're doing is cutting the clay on an angle. So you want to keep this straight up, this pin tool. It's kind of fun. Cut off there, and there we go. See, these are all those clay pieces I said you would eventually end up with. Air bubbles in there. Okay, good. Take this, bring this up. That's a lovely slab right there, square shape. And the reason we have the square shape is because now I take my little square block, and this is like upholstery foam. And you can borrow these and take these home with you if you wanted to make a series of little dishes like this. And all you have to do, here comes the cool part. Push in, and those edges come up. There you go. Ta-da! And then we can take this off. And now you get one of these little dishes. We're gonna wait until it's leather hard until we go back and clean up the edges. It's still really soft and malleable clay. What we need to do is probably take a paper towel. Would you please grab me one of those drywall boards behind you right there, please? Thank you. So what you need to do is offer it a little more support. And I'm gonna send you all home with a clay board for your projects that are drying out, that you're letting dry out. Here we go. So I'm just gonna throw this underneath there to give that clay some support while it starts to dry out. You can make it as thick as you want. You can build up the surface as, you know, tall as you want on whatever angle. If you need to grab some paper towels from school, that's cool too. I don't mind. Whatever you need to do. Now, if you want to leave this overnight, let's bring this one back. And let's get this one under here. There we go. Can I get one of those plastic bags, please, from over there by the lockers? There's a grocery bag. Now, I am going to leave this here because I want to dry this out a little bit. I figured we were past 3 minutes. But that's how to do something with a slab. And those, you can make your own shapes, whatever you want. And now I'm going to, if I can't work on this again till the next day, I'm going to just put this plastic bag over that and set it aside. Tomorrow I'll be able to come back and work on that again, and it'll be nice and leather hard, okay? A little firm, and we can work with that.